A rainbow is one of the nature's most beautiful optical phenomena. So, culturally, rainbows often symbolize hope, promise, peace, and sometimes even mystery or magic. Its fleeting beauty reminds us of the wonders in nature and the signs hidden in everyday sight. So I thought, why not to paint the rainbow colors in form of nature. So different rainbow colors, landscape painting we will be doing in this entire course. Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India. And most of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. I mostly do nature related painting, mostly related to nature. So this whole class will be related to nature painting with gouache. So in this class we will be learning so what all materials we will be needing for a complete painting, then some techniques we will be learning how to use those techniques in our the 7 paintings which we will be doing. Very basic and useful techniques of using gouache, then some beautiful paintings starting from the violet color, then comes the indigo color. So all 7 rainbow colors we will be doing one by one, and I will be posting all of these paintings alternate days. So again blue color, then green color. Also, if you want to practice more of gouache techniques, you can watch my class, that is 15 days gouache landscape painting. So let's start and begin with our first painting, that is with violet color.